Good morning. This year I'm so happy to move in with my amazing friend Jeen. Hi Jeen. And as if that's not exciting enough, we're also really stoked to start cooking together and for each other and inviting a bunch of people over. So Jeen, here's a new breakfast recipe I've been playing with, and it's super easy, very healthy and super yummy. So let's go make it. So the black rice that you've been soaking overnight, you just pour over the water. And then you bring it into water which has already been boiling, and you're gonna like simmer it. Now while that simmering is going on, we've got time to move. Yoo-hoo. So when all the water is simmered out of it, we're gonna add the coconut milk. Cheers. And then we're gonna simmer it a little bit longer. Then we add some natural sweetener, which can be like maple syrup or honey, but this time it's coconut sugar. And we'll mix it all in, and then we top it with our fruits and seeds. So I'm choosing for these today pumpkin seeds, black sesame seeds, almond and walnuts, goji berries and coconut flakes, and some pink dragon fruit, because in Europe you can find a pink one and it's so good. What do you think, Jeen? You want some?